Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to get the Quox time generator in Poop with Friends. This guide breaks down the process into 3 simple steps, ensuring you can acquire this powerful artifact efficiently. First, we'll cover resource collection, which is crucial for the crafting phase. Next, I'll walk you through the special crafting quest. Finally, we'll discuss how to activate and utilize the generator's unique effects to enhance your gameplay experience. Your journey begins by gathering specific materials. You'll need to collect 25 chrono crystals, found deep within the temporal tunnels. Next, defeat 3 formidable time guardians to secure their valuable quantum gears. Lastly, venture into the rift zones to gather 150 units of flux matter. These components are absolutely vital for the next stage, so take your time and be thorough in your collection efforts. Next, grab your phone and head to its app store. Search for and download the free Steam Link application. Once installed, open the app and follow the simple instructions to pair it with your computer. You will see a unique 4-digit code on your phone that you enter into Steam on your PC. For a much better gaming experience, we highly recommend connecting a Bluetooth controller to your phone. Congratulations! You now possess the Quox time generator. Open your inventory and select the generator, then place it into an active slot or a designated area within your base. Upon activation, you'll notice its powerful effect, slowing down in-game time by 50%. This incredible advantage lasts for approximately 10 minutes per use, giving you ample opportunity to strategize, escape danger, or complete challenging objectives with ease.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.